Introducing a new feature found in Assistant Pro. There is a new action that allows you to import library items. Let's head over to my WordPress site and I'll show you how. From the front end of your WordPress site, click on the assistant icon. Next, click on the library icon. Click to connect to Pro to connect to the Assistant Pro cloud. In the next window, enter your login credentials and click Sign In. Locate the library item that you would like to update. In this example, we have a library for our demo site here. Scroll down to Actions and click the Import action and select one of the following choices. Either Create New or Replace Current Page or Post. Let's start by choosing Create New. This action will import the library item and create a new page or post in the WordPress admin dashboard with the content of the library item. At the top of the page, you will now see this notification letting you know that the library item has been imported. From here, you can click on the Edit Page link and you will be redirected to your newly imported page for editing. Since this page was created using Beaver Builder, we can click the Launch Beaver Builder button to open up the editor and make any edits to the page. The other new option found in Assistant Pro is to replace the current page or post. From the Libraries app, this time let's click Replace Current Page or Post. A pop-up will appear asking you if you really want to replace the current page with this library item, as this action cannot be undone. Go ahead and click OK. This action imports the library item and replaces the current page with the library content like this. Here you can see that our page was updated with the library content. And that's it. To keep watching, go ahead and click on the next video. And of course, if you got any value out of this video, be sure to hit the like button and click to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.